what's going on, guys? I'm sorry. Welcome to Bruce React. You know, the guys constantly in the middle, and it is what it is. All these, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Who cares? And who is? Who is rich? Yeah, it was like that, and I was one of them, and that's about it. Though. Thank you very much, Chris, for the donation. We really appreciate it. Do you know what I mean, kid? I hope you're well, hope you're safe, and all that good stuff.
What's that noise in the background?
Oh yeah. By the way, guys, if you're hearing, we've got, you know, the fan on because it's humid, and we won't be able to react. Do you know what I mean? We'll be end up like this, reacting. So sorry for the noise. It's the fan. Wants to react to Parkway Drive. Vice Grip, the official video will be down below in the description. Make sure you support the official video, guys. Remember, guys, support channel, club channel, build those here, on these Instagram, come for me, let's go. Parkway Drive. Whoa! 1 second, sorry guys for pausing it straight away, but lad, they're like in the middle of nowhere with a big, you know, like an army plane or something. Lad, that's a great capture, that lad. Amazing.
You know, most metal are about screaming, isn't it? Have you noticed?
Yeah.
Like, it goes from chorus, where they go soft and then they go hard, have you noticed?
Yeah. But you know what, like, in music, there's all music for everyone, because a lot of people like things.
Yeah, I know.
Do you know what I mean? And there's a time and a place you want to hear things like this, like, do you know what I mean? And do you know what, lad? I reckon it's nice.
Yeah. Boy, don't say they're going to do skydiving.
Lad, this is sick, you know. I like this.
That guitar's nice. Yeah.
Keep the flame alive. For the hopeless, light in the darkness. For the hopeless, you got one life, one shot. Give it all you got.
Hey, hold on for a minute. Do you know what? I like this, you know, lad. I like the video. I like the, you know, like, where, you know, like they've took us different places. Do you know what I mean? Especially that shot on the plane, lad.
Yeah.
The jumping out, do you know what I mean? And with the plane, lad, the army plane. But you know what, lad? It's true what he's saying. Like, lad, you've only got one life, once, do you know, chance or whatever he said. What he said. Sorry, I've just forgot. But live it, give it all you got, lad. You live once and give it all you got. Do what you want to do. Obviously, within the law and everything, but I'm saying, like, have fun, live your life. If you want to jump out of a plane, parachute, diving, whatever, bungee, skydiving and all that, do it. Do you know what I mean? live your life.
As long as you're not harming no one.
Live your life, what you want to do in life. Do you know what I mean? Try and do
And
it.
one thing, would you do skydiving?
I'd love to, but
Yeah, you say that now, but
I know, but I'm saying I'd love to.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that I would. No, do you know, like,
I'm one of them things.
looks amazing, but I don't know that.
I don't know who.
I don't know.
I don't have poo me pants. But I just have to jump over. Oh, you got.
One shot, give it
Oh, you got. Sick.
I like his motto, man. Them mad.
That's boss, how did you do that?
Got you in its sights.
Oh, sick.
What a feeling.
You haven't took that shot last, sick. Yo! Oi,
Hey, I like
you,
these,
you know
you know.
what it is? You're right, you know, they took us to different places, which is nice. And
Different
they
great
switched it.
shots, lad.
Yeah.
Different great shots.
Wow.
And do you know what I
You've
like
done good
these,
on
lad?
this video.
I like his motto, lad. Do you know what I mean? You've got one life, one shot. Give it all you got.
Yeah, definitely.
Give it all you got, lad, in your life.
One life,
One shot. Give it all you got.
get the flame alive.
Sick, sick one. Wow.
I like this. This is nice, this man.
Come on.
Amazing.
Boy, this is a good one, you know,
This one's
Chris, you
nice,
picked a
this
good
one. I
one.
like this one. I really like this.
Nice stuff. That's some great shot, you know.
Yeah. We're metalheads now, kid, eh? Proper metalheads. Do you know what I mean? Lad series. Hey, I'm starting to really, no joke, guys. I'm starting to get into like this kind of genre, lad, of music. Whether you call it metal, rock. Do you know what I mean? Lad, I reckon it's a vibe, lad.
Yeah.
And especially this one, lad. I love his, do you know, like motto.
Yeah.
What he
Definitely.
stands for. Do you know what I mean? You've got one life, one shot. Give it all you got.
I'm living
Do you know what I
it.
mean? Live your life. Enjoy your life.
Definitely.
Series. This was great. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.